Hey, what is up, guys? This is FNH here, and today I'm going to show you guys how you guys can get unlimited money in Tap Tycoon. Alright, so this is a great game in my opinion. I've been playing it for, let's see how long, just 46 minutes, and you guys can see that I already have 19-20 billion. I'm level billionaire 11, you can see on top, right? And I haven't even been playing that long, but in my opinion it's really fun, and there is a way to get unlimited money without rooting your phone or any hacks or anything like that. All right, so this technique is really simple, and it will work on, I believe, all phones. All right, so before we get into that, there are some prerequisites you have to have. So if you are if you are starting a new game, there's a few things you need to do before you're able to do this. One thing is you have to have a couple businesses bought already. So before I did this, I had, I believe, up to the hotel, maybe the department store. I already had bought all these. Okay, so, and that was just by me clicking and using an auto clicker. You guys can watch my other video on that if you guys haven't already, how to use an auto clicker in this. Really simple, but you guys can see I had that bought already, and then not only that, you have to have the auto collect bought. Okay, so basically this technique is using the idle timeout, right? So when you're not in the app, it still collects coins for you. All right, so the more auto collects you have, the more money you will get. Okay, so you guys can see that restaurant is generating money and is being auto collected, as well as entertainment, post office, power plant, and I believe the hotel also, right? I'm not sure about the department store and the rest, but that's fine, because the thing is, if they are not auto collect, right, the money thing will pop up and you will have to manually collect that, and if you're idle, that will not, you won't be able to collect it. All right, so now let's get into the actual technique. All right, so you guys can see I have 28 billion dollars right now. So let me close the app. Right, next what you want to do is turn off your Wi-Fi, your network data, turn on do not disturb, because you probably will get a lot of notifications from different apps, right? And that can just slow down your phone. Next what you want to do is go to settings and search for time. All right, so now you want to go to time, system, time. You want to turn off use network provided time, go to date, and just choose any date in the future. All right, so I will choose August 31st, which is a couple of months ahead. All right, so I have that set. I want to turn on the app again, and we will wait and see how much money we get. So you guys can see now I have 50 trillion. Okay, so that was really quick, really easy and simple, right? Not now. So really easy and simple. You guys can see I have all these upgrades available, right? And just to show you guys this is not temporary, I will close the app again, go back to my time, turn network provided time, right? And then turn on my Wi-Fi and mobile data again. So let me close the notifications and let me turn on the app again. All right, so for those of you probably thinking, oh, it's not going to work when you go back to normal, this is just to show you guys that I will still have the money and I will still be able to spend it and I will still be getting more money. All right, so you guys can see I still have the 50 trillion. Let me collect that. And let's see if I can actually buy, auto collect, buy it. So you guys can see I just bought a bunch of, use the skills, 2 stats to catch every 30 seconds, whatever. So you guys can see I just bought a bunch of different things, right? So yeah, that's basically it. That's basically it. You guys can see it really works, and to get the money, it's a lot faster than you would by clicking, and it works great. And the thing is, you don't have to worry about it being illegal, or you're doing something shady with your phone, like rooting it or anything. It's just just comes with the app and what you have to do with the phone. So yeah, that's basically it. If you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question or comments, please leave them down below. If you guys want to know how to use the auto clicker, watch one of my other videos for other auto clickers. I do have for the other apps that have clicking, I do have an auto clicker for that. I'll maybe make one for this one also, depending on if I have time or not. But yeah, you guys can definitely check it out, see how it is. And let me know how you guys experience is, if it works for you guys or not. Leave a if any questions or comments in the down below. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.